You've been living in the U.S. as an undocumented immigrant for many years or even decades, and now you're worried that U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement, ICE, may have been tipped off regarding your status. What do you do? Do you contact an immigration and deportation lawyer or just wait and hope for the best? The best answer we can provide you with is to contact New Jersey immigration attorney Eric M. Mark. If you've been living in NJ for decades or even for a few years, you likely have built a family of your own, acquired a steady job, and have been living your life in normalcy since your arrival to the U.S. This is your home now, and despite your status, leaving it to go back to your country would be devastating and difficult. Where would you go and what would happen to your family? With so many uncertainties running through your mind, now would be a good time to sit down with an immigration attorney who can address each and every one of your concerns. The law office of Eric M. Mark has been helping individuals resolve all sorts of immigration-related issues and is available to assist you too. You can contact us now by calling 201-713-2227 if you are ready to speak with a legal expert. Am I at risk of being deported? Anyone who is living in the U.S., whether it's in NJ or any other state, must have obtained authorization from the government, that is a visa, green card, etc., that permits them to live and work in the U.S. legally. A person who is considered undocumented, meaning you haven't received permission to enter and reside in the U.S., is at risk of being placed in removal proceedings. Because this can be a scary time for anyone faced with such circumstances, here are a few things you need to be aware of. 1. While there is no guarantee that ICE will act on the tip they received, they very well could. Immigration reform is changing the way the government handles immigration-related matters. For instance, there have been raids occurring all across the U.S. and immigration officials have begun to conduct random ID checks on buses, planes, etc. to see if anyone they come in contact with is undocumented. Officials are no longer easygoing or lenient toward those who abide by the laws and have displayed good moral character. The fact is, they don't care. If you are living in the U.S. illegally, there is nothing stopping ICE agents from placing you and anyone else who is undocumented into removal proceedings. You should be aware, you have no obligation to provide ID or answer any questions from ICE officers or CBP officers. Do not help them deport you by giving them information they are not entitled to. Therefore, it is in your best interest to contact our office and speak with NJ immigration lawyer Eric M. Mark, as he can help determine the best course of action to take to prevent you from having to return to your home country, a place you may no longer recognize or connect with. 2. If ICE agents arrive at your home, don't open the door. This piece of advice comes from Judge Johnson, who led the Department of Homeland Security, DHS, during President Obama's second term. Source: CBS News. Johnson told the news outlet that undocumented immigrants are not required to open the doors of their homes to immigration authorities unless agents produce a warrant signed by a judge. The source went on to explain that even when an ICE agent produces an administration warrant, that by itself does not give them the right to enter private property to apprehend someone. If ICE shows up at your house, do not open the door. Call a lawyer. You may not be able to go outside for a while, they may come back again, but you do not have to make their job easier. 3. If you or someone you know are detained, there are often defenses and strategies to avoid being deported. The immigration court generally has to go through a full legal process before an undocumented immigrant can be deported. In that time frame, an immigration attorney such as Eric M. Mark can work on your behalf to get you the documents you need that would permit you to stay. On certain occasions, however, an immigration judge could push for an expedited removal. Either way, it is essential that you are properly represented by an attorney who is going to put your interests first. Now, if you would like to discuss your matter in depth with a professional who handles immigration cases daily and has the skill and experience needed to help you, contact the law office of Eric M. Mark now to find out what we can do for you. The law office of Eric M. Mark is located at Jersey City Office, 121 Newark Avenue, Suite 515. Jersey City, New Jersey 07302 201-713-2227. Website, www.ericmarklaw.com. Newark Office, 201 Washington Street, Newark, New Jersey 07102 973-453-2009. Elizabeth Office, 20 Commerce Drive, Suite 135. Cranford, New Jersey 07016 908-224-044.